Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I know it's Friday, so I just wanted to share with you a really quick way to see who is required to be in a breakout room with their mic and webcam on for you. So that's basically going to be all of your new students for Group 3 teachers. So otherwise, they have full flexibility. They're not required to come. I always highly encourage my students to come in case they have any questions just about the logistics of the test. So anyway, this is a quick way from Daniel's current spreadsheet. So I have 9-6 open, and I'm going down here to, it'll probably pop up on like the map completion, but I click on the K8 current tab. Sorry about that. And then what you're going to do is scroll over the student information over this way, and you're going to look for your name. So if you are the ELA teacher, I'm just going to use, actually, let me do math teacher. I'm going to use April Mask as an example here. So that's all her math students if you scroll down. And then if you scroll back over to the left, so that was, well, it'll be a different column depending on your content, but you scroll over to the left and you look at column I. Now, column I has a category that says new to GCA. So what you can do is filter just for new students, and these are April's new students. So you can see she's got quite a few, probably around 43. My email's blowing up at 3:52 p.m. That's fun. Anyways, you can see quickly who is there and required for you. So if you need to know, like if somebody in class is like, hey, I'm going to pop out, I got a thing, um, you can check really quickly here, and I would save like this page and save it to your desktop somewhere easy, or even create your own link to a Google spreadsheet so that you can see really quickly, hey, here's all my people that are new. So again, new to GCA, required to be in class. We just want to keep reiterating this because we really have just started the ARB process this week. So we don't want kids to, get a letter in about 10 days saying, hey, you haven't been to class, and then them saying, well, I didn't know. Just keep reiterating. I know you're saying it in your ILP calls. Thank you for that. Keep reiterating it to them so they know. Thank you all. Have a great weekend. See you Monday.